How to simplify your life. Did you know that most of us live a life that is much more complicated than it needs to be? We have too many things to worry about, and we experience a lot of stress in our daily routine. And even worse, most of us don't even notice it until it's too late. According to a recent study, the average person has over 60 things to worry about on a daily basis, and most of these things are subconscious. That is a lot of stress, and all of that stress can lead to some serious health problems down the road. The good news is that it's not too late, and you can still do something about it. You can simplify your life by getting rid of the things that are causing you subconscious stress. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can do that. So, make sure to pay close attention, because this could be the best thing you've ever done for yourself. Number 1. Get rid of toxic people. If you really want to simplify your life and get rid of stress, then you need to let go of the toxic people in it. These are the people that are always negative and always bring you down. They are never happy, and they always seem to find something to complain about. If you have these types of people in your life, then it's time to get rid of them. They are only going to make things worse for you. And the truth is, you don't need them in your life. You're better off without them. Number 2. Don't take anything personally. According to research, the majority of the things that stress us out are actually not personal at all. Most of the time, they are just a reflection of how we see the world. For example, if someone cuts in line in front of you, that's not a personal attack against you. It's just an indication that that person is rude and doesn't care about other people. So the next time something like that happens, don't take it personally. Just let it go and move on. Don't let it bother you. Number 3. Let go of the past. One of the biggest causes of stress is our past. We can't stop thinking about the things that have happened to us in the past, and we keep reliving them over and over again. This is a recipe for disaster because it's only going to make you stressed out and unhappy. The best way to deal with this is to let go of the past. Let go of all the negative memories and all the pain that you've been carrying around with you. It's time to move on and start fresh. Number 4. Stop worrying about what other people think. Did you know that one of the main causes of stress is worrying about what other people think? We spend a lot of time and energy worrying about what people are going to say or think about us, and this is only going to make us more stressed out. The best way to deal with this is to stop caring about what other people think. Just do what makes you happy and don't worry about what anyone else has to say. Number 5. Declutter your life. Take a look at your room, for example, or your office. How cluttered is it? How many things are you not using but you're still hanging on to them? If your answer is a lot, then it's time to declutter your life. Get rid of the things that you don't use and don't need. This will make your life a lot simpler, and when you see how everything looks clean and organized, you'll feel a lot less stressed out. This is a subconscious signal that your life is under control. Number 6. Learn how to say no. We are not good at saying no. We always want to help people, and we always want to say yes. But this can lead to a lot of stress because we are not able to manage our time properly. The best way to deal with this is to learn how to say no. When someone asks you for help, just politely tell them that you can't help them. And if someone asks you to do something, just say no. It's as simple as that. This doesn't mean that you should never help anyone. It just means that you need to be more selective about the things that you agree to do. Number 7. Start your day with positivity. According to a recent study, people who start their day with positive thoughts are less likely to experience stress during the day. So if you want to simplify your life, it's important to start your day with a positive attitude. Think about the things that you're grateful for and spend a few minutes focusing on the good things in your life. This will set the tone for the rest of the day, and you'll be less likely to experience stress. You will also focus more on the positive aspects of your life, and you'll be less likely to get stressed out about the small things. Number 8. Make time for yourself. Making time for yourself is very important if you want to simplify your life. You need to take some time for yourself so you can relax and recharge your batteries. If you don't make time for yourself, you're going to get stressed out and overwhelmed. So, make sure that you schedule some time for yourself in your calendar. This will ensure that you'll have some time to relax and distress. When you get back to work, you'll be more productive and you'll be able to focus on your tasks at hand. Number 9. Always be honest. Honesty is one of the most important values that you can have in life. When you're honest, you're able to build trust with the people around you, and this is going to make your life a lot simpler. Being honest doesn't only mean dealing with people. It also means being honest with yourself. When you're honest, you're able to see things for what they are, and this is going to help you simplify your life. Number 10. Ask for help when needed. Most people try to do everything by themselves, but this is not always possible. Sometimes we need to ask for help from the people around us. If you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed out, don't be afraid to ask for help. The people around you will be more than happy to help you out. This doesn't mean that you're weak or that you can't handle things on your own. It just means that you're smart enough to know when you need help. When you ask for help, you're also showing the people around you that you trust them, and this is going to build stronger relationships. Number 11. Learn how to forgive yourself and others. Sure, we all make mistakes, but that doesn't mean that we should beat ourselves up over them. We need to learn how to forgive ourselves and others so we can move on with our lives. When you forgive someone, it doesn't mean that you're saying that what they did was right. It just means that you're choosing to let go of the negative feelings that you have towards them. Forgiving yourself is just as important as forgiving others. When you forgive yourself, you're freeing yourself from the guilt and the shame that you were feeling. Number 12. Show love and appreciation. Love and appreciation are two of the most important emotions that we can experience. When we show love and appreciation to the people around us, we're helping them feel good about themselves. This is going to make your life simpler because you will be surrounded by people who feel good about themselves. They will be more positive and they will be able to enjoy life a lot more. So make sure that you show love and appreciation to the people around you. They will appreciate it, and it will make your life a lot simpler. Number 13. Let go of perfection. If you think that you need to be perfect in order to be happy, then you're going to have a tough time simplifying your life. You need to let go of perfection because it's impossible to achieve. When you're trying to be perfect, you're putting a lot of unnecessary stress on yourself. This is going to make it difficult for you to relax and enjoy life. So, let go of perfection and embrace imperfection. It's okay to make mistakes, and it's okay to be human. Number 14. Take care of your health. When you're busy with work and other obligations, it's easy to forget about your health. But you need to take care of your health if you want to live a happy and simple life. When you're healthy, you'll have more energy and you'll be able to do more things that you enjoy. You'll also be less likely to get sick. So, make sure that you take care of your health by eating healthy foods, getting enough exercise, and getting enough sleep. When you're healthy, you'll be able to simplify your life. Number 15. Set achievable goals. One of the best ways to simplify your life is to set achievable goals. When your goals are too ambitious, you're going to find it difficult to achieve them. When your goals are achievable, you'll be more likely to achieve them. This is going to make your life simpler and less stressful. So make sure that you set achievable goals and then work hard to achieve them. When you do this, you'll be on the right track to simplifying your life. This doesn't mean you shouldn't set big goals. It just means that you should break them down into smaller, more achievable goals. Conclusion. There are a lot of things that can make life complicated, but simplifying your life is possible, and it doesn't have to be difficult. The 15 tips we've provided should help you get started thinking about how you can simplify your own life by focusing on the important aspects of your health, relationships with others, and achieving goals. If you have made it this far, we really appreciate your support. Comment down below with the word 100% so we know that you watched the entire video. To learn more, check out our other videos that you see on the screen right now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.